Chapter 5.1 Creating Game Loop Using For Loop. 1. How to repeat with for loop.
How can I write code to repeat the same process?
You can easily repeat the same process using the for loop. The for loop is a control flow statement that's used to iterate through a sequence of values. Let's write the code.
What does this code mean?
The for loop repeats the following code block 8 times. By adding a constant number to the x-axis value while leaving the y-axis unchanged, you can draw a row of aliens at regular intervals. Let's run this code. 8 aliens are drawn in a row at regular intervals.